Salut! Comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel C'est Français. In today's video, we are going to learn cardinal numbers in French from 21 to 100. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe. Also, if you have not watched my previous video about cardinal numbers from 0 to 20, les nombres cardinaux, please do watch. It is the continuation of the video. Let's begin. 21. So, till 20 there are no rules regarding remembering numbers, but from 21 onwards numbers become easy to remember. Let's look at how. So, the number 21 in French is 21. Here, 20 means 20 and A is 1, and we join them by ET, which means and. 22 is 22, which is 20 plus 2. So, from 22 to 29, we join all the numbers with a hyphen. Let's look at them. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31. So just like 21, we write 31 as 31. And for numbers from 32 to 39, we join 30 with the numbers from 1 to 9. For example, 32 will be 32. 40. In the same manner, we write all the numbers till 69 as follows. 41, 43, 50, 51, 54, 60, 65, 70. In short, from 21 onwards, we only need to memorize the number names of 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now, the twist comes with 70. We do not have a specific number name. It is basically 60 plus 10, 70. Same way, from 71 onwards till 79, we will add the numbers from 11 to 19. I'll repeat, from 11 to 19 and not 1 to 9 after 60. Let's have a look. So 71 will be 71, 72, 79. For 80, the number name in French is 80, which literally means 4 multiplied by 20. Make a note of the S in 20 in 80. This S will come only in 80. From 81 onwards, we will not have it. Let's see how. 81. So if you see, 80 does not have an S. From 81 to 89, we will add the numbers from 1 to 19 after 80. For example, 89 is 89, which is 80, that is 80, plus 9, which is 9. 90, 91, 98, 99. For 100, we have the word cent. Note that the English word century has its origin from here. Do follow me on my Instagram account @C'est Français. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was useful in any way, hit the like button, and once again don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I am going to post more such French videos. Au revoir. Bye.